Good morning, everyone. So, in the last class, we have started with the chapter latitudes and longitudes. I have asked you to draw the longitudes and latitudes like this diagram. One this circle and this circle means parallels of latitude you will draw, and meridians of longitude you have to draw. Okay. Now moving forward. Parallels of latitude. Many circular lines can be seen on the globe. The full circles which run from east to west are parallel to one another and are called the parallels of latitude. Means, suppose this is your globe, the lines it is saying, suppose here. But can you see that this is a full circle? In this way, these all lines are the full circle. It is not only this much, because you can see only half part here on this circle, so it is showing only half circle, but actually they are the complete circles. So these complete circles are known as the latitudes, and since these latitudes are parallel to each other, they are parallel to each other. Parallel means I told you in the last video also, parallel means any two lines that don't intersect each other. मीन्स ऐसी दो लाइनें जो कभी एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगी. इंटरसेक्ट मतलब जो एक दूसरे को टच नहीं करेंगी, एक दूसरे को क्रॉस नहीं करेंगी. मीन्स these latitudes are parallel to each other, means they don't intersect each other. Means if this is my one latitude, so other will, like here, it will be here, it will not touch. These two circles will never touch each other, they will never cross each other. So this means they are parallel to each other, and that is why it is also known as parallels of latitude. So what is parallels? Parallels means any lines that don't intersect each other. ऐसी दो लाइनें जो एक दूसरे को कभी टच नहीं करती, कभी क्रॉस नहीं करती. And that is why latitudes are also known as the parallels of latitude, since all the latitudes are parallel to each other. जितने भी latitudes हैं, सारे latitudes एक दूसरे के parallel है. All the latitudes are parallel to each other. Equator is the largest parallel. Their size decreases as one moves away from the equator towards the pole. Now look here, it means the globe, the earth moves on its axis, and axis has two endpoints. Axis के दो endpoints होते हैं. Axis has two endpoints. The endpoints are known as the pole. It is known as the poles. This is pole, this is pole. The top pole is known as the north pole, whereas the bottom pole is known as the south pole. Okay, so these are the two poles. It is saying that equator is the largest latitude, means it is the longest latitude, because you see here, like suppose you look in this globe, if see here, these lines are the latitudes. ये जो lines है, these lines are your latitudes which are moving in this direction, and you can see that they are the complete circle. I have shown this in the last video also. Suppose if you look at this latitude, this Siberia one, so it is moving from here, and then here, and then coming back here. So you can see that this is a complete circle. And also if you observe something, so you will see that the latitudes are decreasing when you move towards the pole. जब आप पोल की तरफ लैटिट्यूड्स को देखते हो तो उनका साइज कम होता जाता है. दे आर डिक्रीजिंग when you look on the latitudes. If you move from equator to the pole, this is the longest latitudes on your globe, on your earth, and also it is known as equator. This latitude is known as equator. When you move from equator towards your pole, whether north pole or whether south pole, चाहे आप साउथ पोल की तरफ जाओ चाहे नॉर्थ पोल की तरफ जाओ, the size of the latitudes keep on decreasing, because you see जो सर्कल होता है आपका, जो ग्लोब होता है, वो सबसे ज़्यादा वाइड इस एरिया में होता है. the circle, the earth is wide at this area, and when we are moving towards the pole, it is decreasing. जो एरिया है यहाँ से वो डिक्रीज होता जाता है. डिक्रीज मीन्स कम होता जाता है. So in the same way, latitudes also keeps on decreasing when you move towards the pole. The size of the latitudes is decreasing when you are moving towards the pole from the equator. So I hope this is clear that the size decreases as one moves away from the equator towards the pole. So when we are moving from equator towards the pole, it is decreasing. The size decreases. Latitude is an angular distance of a place from the equator lying either in the north or in the south direction. The equator is marked as 0 degree. It divides the earth into the two equal parts. The northern part is known as the northern hemisphere, and the southern half is called the southern hemisphere. Like I told you that equator is the largest parallel. It is the largest parallel and it is marked as 0 degree. You can see here, this is your equator and it is marked as 0 degree. It divides the earth into the two parts, means this part and this part. These are the two equal parts of the earth. This part is equal to this part. And also, since it divides it into the two equal parts, so this is the northern part and this is the southern part. This lower one is the southern part and this is the northern part. So the northern part is known as the northern hemisphere, means this area, this and this half. It is known as the northern hemisphere, whereas the other half, the southern part, is known as the southern hemisphere. So equator divides the earth into the two equal parts. The one part is known as the northern hemisphere, whereas the other part is known as the southern hemisphere. The other latitudes are numbered from 0 degree to 90 degree in both the hemisphere. The North Pole is marked as 90 degree north and South Pole as 90 degrees south. There are some important parallels. These are marked and named as under. So these latitudes are marked from 0 degree to 90 degree. Like equator is 0 degree. So if you move from equator towards North Pole, you will find latitudes which are numbered like 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay, and the same way 0 to 90 in the south also. So we have 0 to 90 degree latitudes in the north, and the same 0 degree to 90 degree in the south also. And the latitudes which are in the north part, which are in the northern hemisphere, they are marked as degree north. Whatever their degrees, so they will be marked as degree north. Like suppose 90 degree north, you can see here. So the latitudes which are in the northern part is marked as degree north, whereas the latitudes in the south is marked as 90 degree south. So there are some important parallels, some major important parallels which you should know. These are, first of all, we have equator. Equator is what? Equator is the largest parallel, as it divides the earth into the two equal parts. It divides the earth into the two equal parts. And it is marked as 0 degree. North and south means it is in the middle. So this part is north and this part is south. It is considered as both 0 degree north if you are going towards the north pole, and 0 degree south if you are going towards the south pole. Means if you are going towards the southern hemisphere, or either you are going towards the northern hemisphere. अगर आप इक्वेटर से नॉर्थ की तरफ जाओगे, so you will read it as 0 degree north. But if you are going towards the south pole, अगर आप साउथ पोल की तरफ जा रहे हो, साउथर्न हेमिस्फीयर की तरफ जा रहे हो, तो इसको आप 0 degree साउथ पढ़ोगे. Okay, so that is why it is written as 0 degree north or south. Then we have Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. This is here. It comes in the northern hemisphere. Its measurement is 23.5 degree north. This latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer. The same way, at the same measurement in the south, same angle at the south, we have Tropic of Capricorn. नॉर्थ में ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर है, एंड इन दी साउथ वी हैव ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न. द मेजरमेंट इज द सेम, means the angle is the same. Only difference is one is in the north and one is in the south. In the north we have the Tropic of Cancer, whereas in the south we have the Tropic of Capricorn. Then we have the 66.5 degree north. 66.5 degree north. In the north we have the Arctic Circle, and in the south we have the Antarctic Circle. So again in this situation also the angle is same, but the only difference is one is in the north and it is known as Arctic Circle, since Arctic Ocean is there. And in the Antarctic Circle south, in the south we have the Antarctic Circle, because here we have the Antarctic Ocean, here we have the Arctic Ocean, and here we have the Antarctic Ocean. That is why it is the Antarctic Circle and it is the Arctic Circle. So what are the 5 major parallels, some important parallels? The first one is our equator, which divides the earth into the two halves. It is marked as 0 degree north or south. You need to remember all these names and their degrees also. So we have second, Tropic of Cancer, which is in the north, and it is marked as 23.5 degree north. Then we have Tropic of Capricorn. It is in the south, which is 23.5 degree south. So these are two, and also this Tropic of Cancer passes through the India. I will show you that in the next. And then in the south we have the Tropic of Capricorn. The fourth one we have is the Arctic Circle. it is marked as 66.5 degree north. 66.5 degree north. The same measurement is in the south is the Antarctic Circle. 66.5 degree south. It is the Antarctic Circle. So these are some of the important parallels which you need to know, and also you need to remember their degrees, like you need to remember their angles and name also. Don't get confused north with the south. Don't write it as the 23.5 degree south or 23.5 degree north or any other difference in here also, like 66.5 degree south or ऐसे नहीं लिखना. Make sure you don't get confused with the north and south directions. NS means here north and south. So what we have talked about parallels of latitude till now is just a review. First of all, what are the parallels of latitudes? These are the circles that run from east to west, and also they are parallel to each other. Since they are parallel to each other, that is why they are known as the parallels of latitudes. Okay, and also we have the largest parallel, which is known as the equator, and this equator is marked as 0 degree. It is marked as 0 degree, and also it divides the earth into the two equal halves. The one part in the north is known as the northern hemisphere, whereas the one part in the south is known as the southern hemisphere. All the latitudes are marked from 0 degree to 90 degree in the north, and the same 0 degree to 90 degree in the south also. Basically in both hemisphere, latitudes are numbered from 0 degree to 90 degree. The latitudes in the north is marked as degree north, whereas latitudes in the south is marked as the degrees south. Means latitudes in the northern part is marked as degree north, and latitudes in the southern part is marked as degree south. So these were some important parts, and also these 5 important parallels we have talked about. Equator, which is 0 degree north or south. Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degree north. Then Tropic of Capricorn, which is 23.5 degree south. Then we have Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north. Then we have the Antarctic Circle, which is 66.5 degree south. And also make sure you don't get confused with the spellings also of Antarctica and Arctic Circle. It is Arctic, ARC, Arctic, TIC, Arctic Circle. We pronounce it as Arctic Circle. Then the second one is Antarctic Circle. Usually children forget this C, and here also this C. So Antarctic Circle, spelling is ANTAR, Antarctic. This C is quite silent, so make sure you don't forget, you remember the spellings correctly. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope this much is clear. Try to write the points in a rough notebook, so that whatever points we have discussed, try to write them in the rough notebook as a note, so that you will be able to revise it quickly whenever you again take a revision of the chapter. So just look at those notes, keep writing the points whatever I am telling you. Like we have talked about what is parallel of latitudes, equator, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Try to write these points in somewhere in your rough notebook, so that in the next video, when you start watching the next video, you just refer to those points. A quick revision will be there, so that you will be able to relate the next video also, and you will be able to understand the next video in a better way. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope everyone has understood this all. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on the comment section, or you can message me in the WhatsApp group also, or snap homework also. This chapter is already posted on the snap homework. Question answers will also be there, and I hope everyone has done chapter 1 question answers and keywords in their notebooks. If you face any problem, if you have any query related to anything we have done in chapter 1, so you can ask me. अगर किसी को भी कोई भी डाउट है चैप्टर 1 में, कुछ नहीं समझ आया, so you can ask me either on the WhatsApp group or in the YouTube comment section. So that's it. Thank you and take care.